this video right now, we're going to talk about how to save a file. So right now, say I have my garment complete, my pattern done, or I just want to pause and continue working on this later. I want to go ahead and save my file. And you'll definitely want to do this frequently as you're working also, in case CLO were to crash. That way you have your file saved. So to save a file, I'm just going to go up here to the top in our very top computer menu and click File. I can either click Save Project, or if you wanted to save it as a new file, for example, I had already saved this file and I wanted to save it as a different name or save it with a different edit, I would go to Save As. And typically we're going to do Save As Project. A project file is going to include our avatar, our garment, accessories, the pose, pretty much everything. So I'm going to click on Save as Project. And that will pop up with a menu right here where I can save my file. It's going to save it in the folder that you choose as a ZPRJ, which is a project file, and it's automatically going to save a PNG as like a preview of our file. But I'm going to click Cancel, because some other options that we have are also if we wanted to save it as just a garment, so we only wanted to save our garment and not the avatar, I could do that. Or if I just wanted to save the pattern, so just basically what's in the 2D window, not my simulation or my styling, I could do that. If I had trims, I could do that here. Or if I had made edits to my avatar or edited the pose of my avatar or size and I wanted to save that avatar to use again, then I could just choose Save as Avatar. Accessory, pose, hand pose, joint motion, camera motion, scene and props. So all other things that I can save it as. So different types of files, but a project will save everything in our file altogether. And then if you wanted to open a new file, we could always click on File, New Project, and that would open up a different project, or File, New Garment, or File, Open, and then navigate to the project that we wanted to add that we maybe had open recently. I'm going to go ahead and save this as a project. And once you've saved it, another option I have is also, instead of opening a new project, I can also add it to this existing project. So if I were to click File, Add, Project, or Garment, Pattern, Avatar, Scene, and Props, any of those. But if I wanted to add a whole project, I could click Add Project. And then navigate on my computer to where that is saved. I saved it here as Dress 1, so I'm just going to click on that. And then I'm going to click Add instead of Open. If I want to include the garment and avatar, I'll leave both of those checked. And then the placement of where I want it to be added to. So thinking about this as like an XY axis. X is our horizontal axis, Y would be vertical. So if I just want it to be next to my existing avatar, maybe 1 meter to the left, then I could leave it like this. If I wanted it any different, I could adjust that. The Y-axis or the Z-axis too, but this looks good to me, so I'm going to click OK. And then you can see it has added it here to our workspace also. So it's added it in our 3D window and our 2D window. That's how you can save a file, open a new file, or add a file to your existing project.